comes another big mother. Just the way I like them. Just the way I like all my vehicles. Ooh, looks like a 760. Oh, what is that? Air LJ Reid. Airbus Air 330. Oh baby, right on, right on. Right after the British Airways. Can you believe that? That's awesome. Considering, for those of you who don't know, see, you know, Montreal is a great town. You know, it's the most popular place for visitors, and especially from the States, because of our, you know, French culture, European culture, their history. But as for plane spotting, it's not great. It's not Toronto, it's not Vancouver, and it sure as hell is not any major American city or European city for that matter, and more than that. So if I see a British Airways big plane, big passenger plane, or like the one I just saw there, Air LGD, which is Algiers as well, that's a big deal, you know. Anyway, another big plane coming in here. In the meantime, let's look at that sunset. Yeah. Right here by Highway 40 Trans-Canada, connecting Canada almost coast to coast. Yes, sirree, Bob. A little bit of pollution, not too much. No, that's for sure. That's another big plane's going in so low and slow there. No doubt about it. 8:30 p.m. Saturday night, June 12th. It's June 12th, July 12th, excuse me. Whoa, look at that police truck. Whoa. Not common. For sure, that's a crime investigation unit. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, baby. Nice coach. Yeah. Alright, what do we got coming here? Alright, what's that? Oh, smaller plane. Yeah, Westjet.